Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Messenger on your PC. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to do that, and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to head over to Microsoft Store, and then on the search field, I'm going to search for Messenger. So when the search is done, you're going to see the Messenger app right here with the logo. So you're going to hit on it. So after the download page has opened, you are going to hit on this get button right here, and then your download is going to kick off. So now that the download is done, you can just simply hit on the launch button to open it. So when Messenger is open, all you need to do is to log in with your details, and then you are good to go. So that's how to download Messenger on your PC. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.